Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the chapter The Sermon at Banaras. Sermon means speech and it is written by Betty Renshaw. And this is the story of Gautam Buddha where and the second characteristic of Kisa Gomti. So let's first discuss about the life of that Gautam Buddha. Buddha's early life as a prince. Buddha was born in 563 BC and he was died in 483. His birthplace was Lumbini and earlier it was in eastern India. And Prince Siddharth's education and marriage. When Prince became 12 years old, so he was sent to that for education to just study the Hindu scriptures. And after that, after completing 4 years there, when he returned there, his father Suddhodana, who just has taken a decision that Siddharth would marry with Yashodhara, and he had also a son Rama. And after that, sometimes Gautam Buddha, he also suffered a lot. That why human beings suffer, because he has never ever seen a suffering in his life, but sometimes he think about that. And after that, one day when Prince went for hunting, so that time he saw a sick person, because he had never ever seen a sick person in his life. His chariot said that it is a sick person, and he became old one day. And after that, he found that a dead man whose funeral was going on. So he just upset of that sight, and he just decided to become a monk, because he wanted to search that why human beings suffered a lot. What is the reason behind it? So that's why he became a monk. Got a spiritual knowledge and become famous as a Buddha. When he just left his country and he went many places in search of knowledge of why the human beings suffered a lot. But he just met with many gurus, the spiritual gurus, but he was not satisfied of their answer. So 6 years he searched a lot, but he was not satisfied with their answer. So what he determined that to just sat under the peepal tree, and he determined that he would not stood unless he get the enlightenment. And after 7 days of meditation, he just got the knowledge. And after that, he was known as a Buddha, Gautam Buddha. The sermon at Banaras, our chapter begins with that. He just started giving his speech in Banaras, and after that one day Kisa Gomti's love for her only son. Kisa Gomti was a lady who had only son and who was died for some reason, but she was not ready to accept that. She thought that my son would be alive by some medicine. So she searched a lot. She went by home and home. People thought that she became mad. But then after that, a man told her about Shakyamuni. Another name of Gautam Buddha was Shakyamuni. The man said that you just to go Shakyamuni, and he was able to cure your son. Kisa reached Buddha, and she just put her dead son before that Gautam Buddha. And Gautam Buddha just a minute he thought, and he said that, what he said that, just a handful of mustard seed. You just collect some handful of mustard seed for that house where no one died. This is the condition. You just get a handful of mustard seed from that house where nobody had died ever. Kisa Gomti searched. Kisa Gomti searched a lot. She went house and house. People on pity on her, she said that they were ready to give her a handful of a mustard seed, but as soon as Kisa in your house ever? So they returned the handful of mustard. So in the end, in the evening, at the time of evening, she searched a lot, but she did not get a handful of mustard seed. And when she was sat in the light of the city, so that time the light was flickering. There was fluctuation in that light. So she understood that there is a lots of comes ups and downs in our life. We should prepare for that, because we cannot, death is inevitable. We cannot stop that. Nobody has a power to just control on that death. And voice of the Kissa's concise. The inner soul of that Kissa Gomsi, that how shellfish wash she. Okay, and after that she understood that the condition of that, her own and path of immortality, and after that understood that nobody would be permanently live on the earth. We should just get rid of our selfishness. Then this is the way of immortality. If we just get rid of our selfishness, so we easily just get the knowledge of why the human beings suffer. After that, Buddha's spiritual knowledge. What Buddha said that suffering is a part of our life. We cannot get rid of our suffering. For that, we should just get rid of our selfishness. So as soon as we just get rid of our selfishness, we just get a spiritual knowledge. And after that, last wisdom, what the Gautam Buddha said, that we should not grieving, we should not crying on the death of our relatives, because in this way we become sick, and weeping and grieving cannot make them alive. Instead of, we just spoil our health. So this is the last wisdom of that. The speech of that Buddha's story. So this is the sermon at Banaras, and this is the story that we should always think that suffering is inevitable. Suffering will come. Suffering is a part of our life, and we are unable to get rid of that. So for a peace of mind, we should not lament, we should not cry, we should not grieve. We should just get rid of our selfishness, and so we are easily go to the path of that immortality. So this is the end of the chapter, and we will meet in the next video. For that, have a nice day.